Hey everybody, it's Mark, Five Angels Outdoor. Thanks for tuning in to this video. We're going to do a little product sort of walk around review. We are looking at the Aksoul inflatable mattress slash sleeping pad that we're going to be using just on a quick trip and just to see how that goes. We got the little tent here with us, you know, just sort of like a quick hitter trip, but we wanted to give this Aksoul sleeping pad, this pad a little try, see how it performs and see how it works out for us when we just don't need the big setup, or we need something that's pretty easy to deal with. So let's check it out. So the sleeping pad comes in this pretty cool bag. It folds up really nicely. We'll break it out and then see how it goes from there. All right, we'll open this first one up, roll it out. Awesome, thank you. Oh man, that's very nice. Great. All right. Now, as you see down here at this end, there is a way in which we can fill it up with a foot pad. So basically it's an inflation inlet. We just open the plug and really just stomp on here, and in only a few minutes it'll fill up. So we'll try it doing this way. Alrighty, and there's the pad inflated. It only took about 3 minutes utilizing the foot pump. So yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty responsive. Let's get the sleeping bag out on it and see what she feels like. Alrighty, so we got the pad all set up. One of the good things, obviously, it does come with a built-in pillow. So that way you can always bring extra pillow or extra support, but it's good that it's already has one built in. But yeah, it's pretty comfortable here. We will see how this works out. But yeah, we look forward to trying it out and see really where we're at here. All right, so just a little FYI. I mean, this mattress is pretty comfortable. and it's surprising for what it is, you know. I mean, it was easy to fill up with the foot pump. Only took about 3 minutes or so. And it's got some good cushion in it, and really provides for a good sleeping pad. So, I mean, if you're in for something that's a little quick, easy to transport, and folds up pretty flat, yeah, I mean, this could be something you can try. We'll give you a link in the description of the video below. But yeah, it's worked out great so far. All right, so getting the air out of this is pretty easy. So I folded one side over. We're sort of pushing air to the air outlet valve, but this is relatively smooth. Packing away is always important. All right, let's start rolling this back up and then seeing how we can get it back in the bag. I have the valve open at the end, so hopefully that will push out any additional air, and we'll try to keep this nice and even. As you well know, with camping, getting things back into their containers is always a big bonus. And this is doing really well. This is actually quite awesome. This bag is pretty, I mean, it's oversized, so to speak. So, I mean, this was no problem getting it back in the bag. But yeah, it's a little oversized, so even if you didn't pack it up perfectly, I think it would fit. But yeah, there you go. Aksoul Camping Mattress worked out really good. And we'll give her some continued use just to see how it goes over time. But from first impression and first use, I think it went really well. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you next time.